Here we go. Come on, does he know how to drive that pig? Never before seen on TV. High-speed impact, bridge drive-by. Oh, yeah! Sweet. I like the bang it made. Looks undamaged. What the hell? What the hell? You broke my fridge!
Some shrapnel got on me!
Look what you did! We have a spectator. What happened? Did we have carnage?
Eh?
Carnage?
That's carnage.
Where's some blood? We need blood for ratings.
Sorry, no.
Oh, we got some blood. Yeah, ratings! That's a 5-star.
I got glass all over me. That's a
You got glass in your ass?
I got glass in my back.
Oh, glass in your ass matters more.
Good old helmet. Sorry, farmers.
Yeah, sorry, spies. You killed my fridge.
I killed the field.
I think you gotta go back and hit it again.
Alright.
Hurry up, give it a whack. Look at that compressor. Don't tell Al Gore about that thing. Hey! You weren't supposed to catch my Cheviac on fire! Get the hell out of there! You caught my Cheviac on fire!
Get the fire extinguisher.
What the hell? You keep filming this.
Done and done.
Just keep filming.
Welcome to Dave's Farm, everybody. Got fucking glass and blood all over. Ow.
Fireman Dave to the rescue!
Go, Dave.
We don't want to burn good merchandise.
This is fucking awesome.
Whoa.
We got the grill.
Please don't tell Al Gore.
Turn around.
Don't go out.
Maybe we should tow it off that before the car burns. Radiator fluid.
Is the Cheviac saved?
Coolant. No, it's not. It's worse off now.
Oh my God, you blew the rad.
You blew the rad.
You blew the rad.
No, I stopped in time.
This was your idea.
This was... No, I was just a happy volunteer.
Killed the crops. Did I say you were drunk?
Apparently. She's fine. That'll buff out. That, however, I'm not so sure.